Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about making falafel. Follow my tips and tricks and you'll get a crispy, fluffy, perfect falafel every time. Let's start. We're gonna start by soaking 1 cup of dried hummus in water, 2 cups of water. I'm gonna add to that 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you have to start from scratch here. Next day, I'm gonna give it a quick rinse and drain it very well. Add it to my food processor. I'm gonna add 1 cup of cilantro, half a cup of parsley, and I chop it to make it easier for the food processor to process easily. 3 cloves of garlic, and I add half a jalapeno. I like the falafel a little spicy. Try it spicy. If you don't like it a little spicy, a touch spicy, you can choose not to include the jalapeno. I'm gonna also add 1 chopped onion, but make sure the onion is well drained. I don't want a lot of liquid in the mix, so make sure to drain the onion very well. And I process it until the consistency is something like that. If you don't have like 12 hours or 24 hours to soak the hummus, there's a little shortcut that I'm gonna share with you. You can soak it in hot boiling water and add that teaspoon of baking soda and change the water. When it cools, add another boiling water and so on, and that will cut your soaking time to, let's say, half the time. But it's always best to let the hummus take its time. If you have the time, just keep it overnight. That's the best way. If you don't have both cilantro and parsley, you can choose one or the other. I prefer using the cilantro over the parsley. It gives the falafel much more flavor, a nicer flavor. For the seasonings, I don't add lots of seasonings, just the salt, but the basic seasonings are going to be the cumin and the coriander and the dried cilantro. I choose to add a little bit of sumac and a little bit of paprika as an additional flavors. It's going to enhance the falafel, it's not going to affect it. And I choose to dip the falafel with a little bit of sesame seeds before frying. I'm going to show you right now how I'm going to fry the falafel. Right before frying the falafel, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I mix very well, and I make sure the oil is the right temperature. Here I'm using a falafel mold, but if you don't have it, you can absolutely form your falafel into small balls and drop it carefully in the oil. You want medium heat, you don't want it to be too high. The inside of the falafel will stay raw, and you don't want it too low, it will soak too much oil. There might be some trial pieces, try on 1 or 2 pieces. If you like the temperature, keep the temperature the way it is. I dip some of the falafel in sesame seeds. It'll give it even more crunch. Falafel is best served warm with a warm pita bread and drizzled with a little bit of tahini, a little bit of tomatoes, cucumber, pickles. The choices are endless. It will make a great vegetarian sandwich. Everybody loves falafel. Give it a try and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!